Okay, so here we have our app features. All right, and just to go over everything in a whole before we go over everything individually, this is where you actually build the guts of your app. Okay, this is the meat and bones. And what I mean by that is if you come down here to your pages, this is where you actually add in content. So if you want music, you want booking info, a calendar, a catalog, whatever you need, even a code scanner for QR codes. All right, you can put it in here. All right, this is where you're going to put your folders. This is where you're going to put your videos. And this is also where you're going to send, and your clients or your visitors are going to receive their push notifications if you choose to do that as well. All right, now we have them categorized here by social, media, contact, monetization. Okay, so if we come into here, we'll see QR coupons, a set meal. If you have a restaurant, discounts you can apply, loyalty cards, catalogs, and also e-commerce. Customization, where you can add in your own source code, custom pages, integrations as well. So if you have external links, if you have a PrestaShop or a Shopify, you can also add those in. This is an event calendar, and miscellaneous here is going to be for folders. If you want to lock your application and require a password or a username, Google Places, tip calendar, privacy policy. There's a bunch of different things that you can add in here. All right, so what I'm going to do in the next few tutorials is go over step by step each and every feature that you can use in your application. Okay, so thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.